So today I'm going to make another fall wreath. This time I'm going to make a ribbon wreath. I'm going to use this leftover mesh as a base, sort of like a pancake wreath, but just the one layer around the bottom so that it has a nice little bed for my ribbon bundles to sit on. And I'm using all this leftover sunflower, because it's still fall, still late summer, early fall. And um, I thought, bundled together with some of this burlap and ribbon would make a nice little ribbon wreath. So we're going to try that, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut my mesh. And because I don't have very much left, I'm going to cut it between 12 and 15 inches long. Because I need 7 of them, because my wreath form here, show you, it's a 12-inch wreath form, but I got it on Amazon and it has 7 sections. Normally it's 6, but this particular one has 7. So I need at least 7 bundles. I'm going to put them on the crossbars all the way around. So since I don't have very much of this left, turn it this way. Just going to start by cutting them, and I've misplaced my rotary cutter at the moment, so I'm using some scissors. So I'll go ahead and cut these up and I'll be right back. Okay, so, and to ruffle these, ruffle them, gather them, you just want to start in the middle and try to keep it in the middle. Just folding it up like an accordion, right down the center, like so. I'm going to use a clip or a clothespin. And just clip it. Okay. And then when we go to attach it, first I need to finish putting my pipe cleaners on. Like I said, I'm just putting them on to the crossbar in the middle 2 rings. Just give it a couple twists. Okay. So now we can take our ruffled up mesh and just place it in the middle. We're going to pull it tight and twist it a few times. And then I'll take it and overlap it, just like you're going to do a pancake wreath. You just want to overlap the edges, the ends. Most of this we won't even see with the bundles on top, so with the bundle of the ribbons, I mean. Okay, and I'm just going to do it all the way around, and then we'll get started on the ribbon. Okay, so here it is, all done, the main layer. Just wanted to show you that for a second. Now we'll get started on the ribbon. Set this one aside. Okay, so I've already folded up my this is a 1.5 inch ribbon. I folded it up so that I cut it. And these I measured out to be, I believe it's 7.5, because I only have 9 feet out of this roll. So I wanted to make sure that I had enough for each section. Okay. And now I've already cut most of these. I still need to cut a few more. But I cut these at 8 inches long, and then I dovetailed them. And basically all I'm going to do is take one, and I'll take another one and crisscross it. And I'm just going to layer them on top of each other, crossing them in different directions. And I'm going to gather it, pinch it in the middle, and then I will attach it on top of my base mesh. And then you can go back and flip them out, spread them out. So, and then I will go and do the same thing to each of the other bundles. And you can start with a different ribbon each time. So you're doing, you're getting a variety of the look. So they're not all the same. Now, if you want, you can go and put them all on before you fluff them out if you want. Or you can do it as you go along. I'll probably do both just to make sure. Okay, so that's basically what you're going to do. And you're going to go all the way around and do the same thing to the other bundles. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I haven't glued down the flowers yet, but I fluffed all the ribbon bundles out. And you can put flowers or you don't have to. You can go without it. and just have your ribbon bundle. And then I made a bow to go down on the bottom, so you can leave it just like this, or you can embellish it with other kind of flowers if you like. I like the sunflower, so and I like the different colors. So I'm going to glue this down and I'll hang it up and I'll show you what it looks like.